The Vanushkine Sladosty Confectionery was founded in Penza region in 2006. The Vanushkine Sladosty Confectionery is Prodexpo diploma holder for the best product and recipe. Today there are more than 500 workers. Vanushkine Sladosty product range includes over 500 products that meet the highest quality standards. These are sugar cookies and biscuits, glazed confectionery, marshmallow, jelly, souffle, marshmallow sticks, rolls, mini cakes, waffles and cakes. Only natural and ecologically pure products are used in the production. Part of raw material is cultivated at the own farm. The sown area under grain crops and sugar beetroot is 700 hectares. The farm is equipped with the most efficient agricultural equipment. When we had our first yield, we sold sugar beetroot to the sugar refinery. But then we understood that we want to have the final product. That's how we came to an idea of having our own confectionery. The base of the enterprise is a family business. Both younger and elder generations of the Kozykovs family work together. Today, Vanushkine Sladosty is a business enterprise with active marketing strategy. Marketing researches and presentations make it possible to issue production which is in demand. Business enterprise Vanushkine Sladosty is a diversified one. We have our own source of raw materials. We cultivate sugar beetroot and wheat. Then we process sugar beetroot into sugar and wheat into flour. The last stage is issue of final goods made of ecologically clean raw materials. That's why our enterprise is a competitive one. Together with Russian Research Institute of Nutrition, we worked out lots of interesting recipes, paying greatest attention to unique and non-standard products. We issue more than 100 kinds of home cookies based on homemade pastry recipes. There are also more than 100 types of sugar cookies. Biscuits Vanushkine Sladosty are non-standard and combined. There are biscuits with layers of soft souffle, jelly and other confectionery fillings, like condensed milk, nuts, dried fruits. The process of production is fully automated so that the influence of environment is eliminated. We have up-to-date technological equipment designed by Russian and world-best producers of machines for food industry. The new Dutch production line of puffy and soft pancakes with fruit and condensed milk filling was launched in 2013. New Korean line of biscuits for kids with different fillings like cherry, peach, banana and condensed milk was commissioned. Consumers like confectionery Vanushkine Sladosty because of its perfect taste, high quality and affordable prices. Highly experienced managers can accomplish even the hardest tasks. We have our own logistics system and auto park that let us deliver goods at the earliest possible dates. In trading networks, Vanushkine Sladosty production is placed at special stands made of natural wood. This is the most attractive and convenient way to show the consumers the whole constantly changing range of goods. It also makes it easier to find our production, which is always fresh and tasty. The confectionery Vanushkine Sladosty is popular in many Russian cities from Kaliningrad to Vladivostok and also in neighboring countries Belarus and Kazakhstan.
Я надеюсь, я просто уверен, что торговая компания Vanushkine Sladosty своей продукцией не только завоюет...
I hope that confectionery Vanushkine Sladosty will be represented all over the world.
Всех торговых точек мира.
We will be glad if you appreciate our production at its true value and invite you to the mutually beneficial cooperation.